Hello, my name is Martin. I'm behind the camera. I have the intention to show you how to repair some of this old Schaublin 102 VM. Okay, listen, the first thing you have to do is to, cut off this lever. This lever is inside here. It will, I have to get it in so I can have a free hand, voila. This is some brake part. This goes inside here. You turn this part here down, so, and this braking shoe has to sit here on this lever. You have to use some fat or grease and glue it in place. Then you push in the whole part so all comes inside here together. You have to take out those ball bearings. Where's the other one? This is the nut. This is the ball bearing. Like this. It's not in perfect shape. I made some mistake, but you don't see it on camera. Now, this is the old gear. You see it has many shapes, but not the perfect shape like the new one. I made a 3D print down here. I will test this now and see if it is working or not. And when it is working, I have the intention to sell the part online. Because this nut costs 350 Swiss francs, new. Okay, I have two of them, one is spare. And when the 3D print is working, I will sell the 3D prints for the cheapskates under us, because, well, 350 Swiss francs is a lot of money, even for me. So I give it a try. Okay, listen, I will fumble this together. There is the toothed gear. This comes over the thread down there, of course, where else? And then I will pull this inside at the perfect position. So this braking shoe will sit under the lever here, and I can brake with the lever the motion of this action. You have to do the same or your automatic feet will not work properly. So. And don't overfill your oils. It is half of the watching glass here, not more. It is just half. Don't do the same mistake like me and try to fill up this part. It is not working. This is the down glass, showing glass. Just half of it is enough. Don't overfill it like me. Try to fill it over here or your shop will be full of oil like mine. That's all I have to tell you about this. And the nut is a 22. You can pull this mechanism here back, and then you can grab with the Gabelschlüssel the nut, and then you can just screw or unscrew it here like this, because this is one piece. That's all. When you have interest in the ABS part, shoot me a mail. Or when you are interested in the image, the drawings of this, I have a whole catalog. You can ask me their stuff too. I have not all measurements, but I have a lot of measurements. So when you're interested to do some business or just asking questions, shoot me a mail. Thank you, bye. Have fun restoring such an old lathe like I have. Bye.